Are you ready for day 5? Oh, they're so good. I can't wait to see what's on day 5. Halloween is my favorite, so this Advent is definitely right up my alley. Oh, cute little spider with lots of eyes and a cool top hat. And this sentiment says, creeping it real this Halloween. This is going to be a really cute one and an easy one to put together, my friends. So let's take a look at what it looks like all cut out. Let's take a look at this day 5 die set, our cute little spider all cut out. So here we have his legs. You have a left side and a right side. Then you have 3 parts for the body. The solid part cut out of white. The middle part cut out of black, and that's where you'll see the dots for the eyes. Then the body with the little smiley face. You can cut that out of brown or gray, and when you layer it, all those eyes are directly underneath of that piece. So it's a 3-layered body there, which is really nice. It makes it look more 3-dimensional. You also have the top hat and the band for the top hat too. Now here I've used Peridot, one of my all-time favorites for our Halloween cards here. And then I also used Teal Topaz for the top hat. Now before I glue everything together, I'm just going to add a little bit of ink blending to make these die cuts look a bit more 3-dimensional. So I'm adding some dark teal to either side of the hat. I'm going to do the same to the band of the hat. And then I will do the same with the body of the spider and just add black ink to the left and right sides, keeping the center lighter than the edges. Okay, now let's get this guy all glued together. And there is our super cute little spider all put together. So I know we used this press plate on the day 4 video, but we used it with the Glimmer hot foiling machine. Today we're just going to use it as a BetterPress. I couldn't resist using it because, you know, we have a spider here, so we want to use our spider web. I'm going to put this right here in the A2 area, kind of center it there. I'm going to put a piece of Peridot cardstock here and place this right on those A2 marks. This is going to create such a very cool and very fast background for us because we can't do all the things on every single one of our 13 Days of Craftoween cards. Sometimes they just have to be quick and easy. So I'm placing my best ever craft tape on those corners, just on the corners. Now I'm going to grab my BetterPress black ink and just ink up the entire plate. I'll put the plate on top and then run it through my Platinum 6. All right, look at how fine that detail is. It's so cool. Now, when you are using the BetterPress with colored cardstock, you don't get that deep indentation or that, you know, kind of 3D feel there because BetterPress paper has, it's thicker, It's made out of cotton, and it allows those plates to kind of go into that paper so you get that really cool letterpress feel. But when you use colored cardstock, you still get that crisp, clean image. Looks fantastic. I'm going to take some avocado ink and just ink up the edges to give it a little darker edge here all the way around the card. Okay, so I've grabbed the Everlasting Circles die set. Love this one. You have nesting circles here you can use for so many different things. I really want to put him on a circle. Now, the one thing I want to do before I do that is make sure that when he is in the circle, I can fit my sentiment below. And with this size, it fits perfectly. Then I can use the next size up to create a frame, and I think I'm going to do that with some treasured cardstock. So first I'm going to cut out this purple circle. To add one more layer, I grab the next size up circle from the circle dies and my treasured cardstock. This is the Onyx Black Assorted pack, and I use the Mirror Metallic, which is a nice shiny black. Now that I have all of my layers cut, I want to stamp my sentiment on the purple circle. This is Lavender, and I'm going to use Creepin' It Real this Halloween. It's a really good one. Okay, so I just want to make sure, because my spider can kind of hang off the top edge, I just want to make sure this is going to fit okay. I want to get it kind of in the right place here. So I'm going to put it so he's kind of standing on the sentiment. I'll close the door, move my spider, and ink up that stamp. Okay, before we go any further, let's ink up this purple circle too. I'm just using a little bit of grape soda here, just to give it that deeper purple on the edge. And it helps to highlight the spider too when it's lighter where he is placed. Okay, now we can adhere our spider. I'm also going to add just a few glue dots to his feet to keep them in place. Now the body is much thicker, so what you can do is grab some 1mm foam adhesive just to put behind the hat so that the hat will be at the same level as the body, because the body includes 3 pieces of cardstock. So just a little strip of 1mm foam adhesive would be great to support his hat. So I placed my circle on my card front here. Now I can just put some tape adhesive on the lavender circle to get that in place. And I'll place that centered on my black circle here, making sure my sentiment is nice and straight. To complete this card, I'm just going to add a few of the 13 Days of Craftoween sequins running in a diagonal line. And there is my cute and simple card using day 5 of the 13 Days of Craftoween die set. Thanks so much for joining me as I shared the day 5 die set from the 13 Days of Craftoween Advent Calendar and the simple and sweet card I created with it. Although the kit is sold out at Spellbinders, check your favorite online or local retailer to find out if they have it in stock and discover all of the additional products that I used to create this card in the video description below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to turn notifications on so that you won't miss the rest of my Craftoween videos, and leave a comment letting me know what you think about this card. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating, friends.